What's up, guys? Viper FPV here, and today I have the Sub 250 FPV crate box for February 2021. We're going to go ahead and unbox. If you don't already know what these are FPV subscription boxes you can get from FPV Crate. This one is specifically designed for a 3-inch or under Sub 250 type of quadcopter to build. I actually did a build of one of these on the channel, saved all the boxes from 6 months ago. 6 months, and built an entire quadcopter with it. So if you want to check that video out, that build series, you can go ahead and check that out in the video description down below. And also, if you want to go ahead and pick one of these up, I'll be leaving an affiliate link down below if you do want to help support the channel and help support me, and get yourself one of these FPV Crate Sub 250 boxes. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this because it is like 30 degrees in my studio and it's super cold with no heat. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open up this box. So let's see what exactly we got. Oh, those are pretty cool stickers. I like these. That's cool. I'm into that like type of coolness. Like it. And then we got get 7% off on VLOX Booster Edition motors. FPVCRATE.com, VLOX. If you want to use my code, go ahead and do that right there. This is pretty much just what tells you what it came in the box for the month, so you make sure you don't have anything missing. We got some more of these props here. These look like they're definitely going to try and make us build, I think, a Cinewhoop, I think, because they're giving us a lot of Cinewhoop props and stuff. So these are T75 MMX5 ducted props. We got 3 sets of those. And then for our big item we got for the month, we got a mini F7 HD version with OSD and VTX switch. Nice. Let's open that up and take a look at it. It's a little 20 by 20 here. Right there. It's an F7 flight controller, so this thing shouldn't have any problems running any of the newest stuff, which I really like about FPV Crate is that we don't get some old F4 processors or something, you know, BLE ESCS. We get some good stuff. I mean, they definitely do get some good stuff in the boxes. If you guys already know, Quad Box is actually, they're done with subscriptions. So unfortunately, the only subscription boxes you can get now are the FPV Crate Sub 250 boxes and the FPV Crate 5-inch boxes. So I should be getting my 5-inch box real soon. So hopefully I'll be posting that on the channel real soon. But this is Viper FPV, and I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you guys in a future video. Peace.